We need industry to stop making so much plastic, and we as a society need to be more mindful about how we use it. By polluting nature, well, we're polluting ourselves because we're not separate from nature. We are nature. So, to everyone involved in these negotiations, please create a plastics treaty that protects the environment and public health for everyone alive, now and for future generations. Less plastic, fewer toxic chemicals. Real solutions that you can be involved in. You can take action now. Thank you.